Question number 24 says, find the equations of the tangent and normal to the hyperbola this at the point x0, y0. Okay, equations of the tangent and normal. Let's see. To the hyperbola this at the point this. Okay, so we have x square over a square minus y square over b square is equal to 1. Okay, at x0, y0 is what we are interested in. Okay, but these are also standard results, right? The equation of tangent at this particular point will be x0 upon a square minus y0 upon b square is equal to 1. Let's try to prove that over here and we'll remember the results as well, right? So for finding the equation of normal and tangent, we'll have to use the derivative, right? So let's differentiate. This gives me differentiating with respect to x, 2x over a square minus 2y, y prime over b square is equal to 1. This is what we are interested in, right? Okay. And what else? This is equal to 0 by the way, right? So from here what I'll observe is y prime is equal to what? This will come on the right hand side, this will remain on the left hand side, 2's will get cancelled, that's what you can observe. And b square x upon a square y will is what I'll get, b square x over a square y. This is the derivative, this will tell me the slope of tangent, right? So with the help of this I can easily write the equation of tangent. For tangent, what do we know? What do we know? We know that the point is x0, y0. We know that the slope is b square x0 over a square y0. And with the help of this, I can write the equation very easily. Equation of tangent will be equal to what? Y minus y0 will be equal to b square x0 over a square y0 times x minus x0. This is what you have. Let's rearrange this whole thing somehow and what do we get? What I'll do is x0 by a square, let it remain over here, and what I'll do is I'll multiply throughout with y0 upon b square, y0 upon b square, that's what we'll be doing. So this becomes y0 over b square minus y0 square over b square is equal to x0 over a square minus x0 square over a square. And what's the benefit of this? Let's see. The benefit of this is that since x0, y0 lies on this point, therefore we know that x0 square over a square minus y0 square over b square is equal to 1. Do we remember this? Yes. We know this, yes. And do you observe that this, when it comes over here, this x0 square upon a square minus y0 square upon b square will be simply equal to 1. So take this on that side, what will that be? x0 over a square minus y0 y0 over b square will be equal to this minus this will be equal to x0 square upon a square minus y0 square upon b square, which is equal to 1. So therefore this is equal to 1. This is the equation of tangent. That's the first part of this complete question. That's the first part of this question. Okay. What about the second part? The second part says that the equation of normal is supposed to be found. For finding the equation of normal, we have the point. For normal, again, we have the point x0, y0. And we have the slope, which is the negative reciprocal of this. Negative reciprocal of this, take the reciprocal, a square y0 over b square x0 with a minus. This is the slope of normal. Okay. Once you're through with this, then you can easily find the equation of normal. Yes, let's try to find the equation of normal with the help of this. Y minus y0, this is the equation, is equal to the slope minus a square y0 upon b square x0 times x minus x0. This is what you have, right? Okay. And what else? So let this a square and x0 remain with this, because a square and x are with x only. And let's take that y0 and b square over here. Let's multiply by b square upon y0. So this becomes b square y upon y0 minus b square y0 upon y0. This is what you get. Okay. And this here is a square upon x0 with a minus a square x over x0 and plus a square x0 upon x0 is what I get. Okay. Let's rearrange a bit. Let's bring this a square term over here. A square x over x naught plus b square y over y naught is equal to this plus this. And what is that? This y naught goes, this x naught goes, this is simply a square, and this here is plus b square. That is the required equation of normal. That is the required equation of normal. You can memorize this, you can memorize this to solve questions in future examinations, competitive exams if you are appearing for those. Otherwise, for the NCERT, from the point of view of NCERT, you can learn only these derivations are important. Nothing much is important other than that. This is x naught upon a square minus y naught upon b square equal to 1. This is a square x upon x naught plus b square y upon y naught is equal to a square plus b square. That's the equation of normal to this hyperbola at the point x naught comma y naught.